Welcome to the Too Late I Won Kitchen Edition. We're going to be cooking up something. If you can see, right there, there's a little hole. There's a bunch of ants going in there. And they're going into there. And you can see a big old trail. They are moving their house. So, since I noticed this, I'm going to be cooking up a home remedy to get rid of these things super quick. Within a day or two. Alright, so these are the ingredients that you'll need. Just a paper plate. This is actually one I dug out of the trash because, well, I don't want to mess up the new one. Why not? So you'll need a paper plate or even just a piece of paper or something to mix this in. Just your regular honey. This is just some local honey that we have. And then borax. It's the detergent booster stuff. So super easy. Some people use syrup, some people like use sugar and water, mix a cotton ball in with boric acid. This I find works the best, and all you'll do is you'll pour out some honey. It doesn't take a whole lot. I mean, since it is their last meal, we might ought to make it pretty good. So there you go. The next thing you do is you just get your boric acid. You're going to mix that in there. That's might be too much. And that's the thing, you don't want to do too much because they will know. Then you just mix this all in. Mix that around. And I should add just a little bit more honey, but I think we'll be fine. Then all you gotta do, I'm just gonna tease it just a little bit. Get some of this. Put it right where they go. Do a little trail. But you can almost see immediately almost immediately that, oops. You can see immediately they've pretty much stopped what they're doing to get some of this stuff, and they'll take it back to their little nest and feed it to everybody, and they'll be dead. They'll be dead within a couple days. And I like to make it easy for them. Get it as close as you can to the nest. And you see it rained pretty good last night, and I think it might have flooded them out. That's why they're moving their nest to higher ground or something. Yeah. And once all that's gone, they're gonna look for some more, and they'll find this. Sometimes what you can do, if you can pick a couple of the ants up and just toss them in there, they'll be scared like crazy. They're like, ah, I'm dying. And then you throw them in this and they're like, ooh, look what I found. I'm gonna bring this back. And then they tell all their other friends. Super easy, super effective. Keep it away from your animals. I don't know how they would react. They might get really sick, but I'm keeping my dogs inside until this is done. So, okay, I think that's better. So, if you look, there's hardly any ants. There's a survivor. Come over here. There is just a couple running around. So what I'll do is, I want about a day or so, I'll make another batch and put out here, just to catch any of the remainders. But what I did with the rest of this is I put it out in the shed. I need to redo the doors on this. So much to do, so little time. Alrighty. So, there is a bunch. There's a bunch. You can see them all around here. I think it's actually kind of soaked into the wood. But let me put this back up in their way. They might find some more. But yeah, we might do a follow-up on this. Alright, I'll get back with you. Man. Wonder if those are carpenter ants or something. I don't know. I just want them gone. Hope that helps y'all out. Y'all comment, rate. We'll talk to you later. See ya. Welcome to my kitchen. No, I don't like that one.